What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video I'm going to unbox a brand new OnePlus 6T. Now we have unboxed this phone before, but that was in different color variants. It was mirror black and midnight black, available already on Amazon.in two configurations, one with 6GB of RAM and one with 8GB of RAM, both having 128GB of storage. This one is the Thunder Purple, as OnePlus calls it. So the Thunder Purple is a different color variant that OnePlus has launched, but the good part is that it's available at the same price. It's available at 41,999 for the 8GB, 128GB of storage. And now we're going to unbox it and take a look at how the color looks like. So OnePlus usually launches its different variants of the smartphone, and we have seen it collaborating with Marvel to announce the Avengers edition on the OnePlus 6, and before that there were several other editions of the 5T as well, like the Lava Red. And this time around OnePlus has experimented with a new color, and that it calls the Thunder Purple. And it's called Thunder Purple because the color is very similar to what you see on a thunderstormy night. That is, it has a gradation at the back. You'll see part of it is done in black and part of it is purple, and the color black gradually becomes purple as you go down. It looks like a drink that has different viscosity of liquids, and it looks quite stunning from the back. As usual, the glass has gone through 40 different processes to give it that light bending effect, that matte feel, and being a 3.5D curved glass, it gives a very good overall fit and finish. You'll see the phone has a very similar light bending effect like the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T. The light bends in an S shape and appears very beautiful when you rotate the device at various angles. Also, you'll see not only the back part, but the frame has also been done in different colors. The top part of the frame appears black, and it's very similar to the black variants that we have reviewed. And as you go down, there is a slight hint of blue, and then the frame at the bottom and from the mid part as well is given a purple color finish. Let's quickly turn on the device and take a look at the other box contents, if OnePlus has paired anything extra with this new color variant. Alright, so first in the box we have the back cover, which you get with other color variants as well, and there's nothing else inside. Let's take a look at the smaller box, what it packs. So the contents are very similar to what you saw on the previous OnePlus 6T phone. Some stickers, a SIM ejector tool, a safety guide information, and the setup guide about OnePlus 6T. Let's put the cover on the phone and see how it looks like. Of course, it doesn't make sense to cover this beautiful color with a cover, but it will protect the smartphone from scratches, and you may or may not want to cover this beauty. Alright, so next there is an invitation letter from OnePlus CEO, and we showed this in our unboxing video as well. Next are the usual contents: a Type-C USB cable in red, very good quality and very good length, and then there is a Type-C to headphone jack converter. Since the phone does not have an audio port, the 3.5mm headphone jack, you get a converter with it, although there are still no earphones inside the box. And OnePlus separately sells a Type-C headphone that you can buy from the OnePlus store or Amazon. Next, there's also the dash charger that has 20 watt of output rating and charges the phone in about 70 to 75 minutes. So let's quickly set up the smartphone and see what's different inside the phone. You must be knowing this already, that OnePlus 6T has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is one of the major upgrades over the OnePlus 6, and we made a separate video on this at how fast the fingerprint scanner is, comparing it with some other phones that also have an in-display fingerprint scanner. And you might want to take a look at that video. Alright, so I've set up the smartphone, and there is indeed a few things different on this device compared to the midnight black or the mirror black variant. So you'll see the wallpaper is slightly different. but the phone does not have a separate theme for the purple color variant. Anyways, if you take a look at the specs, they're same as the previous OnePlus 6T variant. That is a Snapdragon 845 chip with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, a 16 megapixel primary camera at the back, accompanied by a 20 megapixel camera for low light photography. Then there is an AMOLED display with 6.41 inch size and full HD plus resolution. The phone runs Android 9 out of the box and runs the Oxygen OS 9.0.4. There are slight differences compared to the previous smartphone, and most of them are software based. The biggest change in the design being the water drop style notch that gives you more screen to body ratio, although this time around the 6T is slightly bigger and heavier compared to the OnePlus 6. That is because it also houses a bigger battery. So this was the OnePlus 6T, guys, the Thunder Purple variant. OnePlus is selling it at the same price as the Midnight Black or the Mirror Black with 8GB of RAM. So let me know which one would you pick and why, and if you like this one, also let us know in the comment section below. If you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching this video.